Hi guys! So I have a lot of pots that are super cute but don't have holes in them. Like for instance, this one I got from the dollar store and it's adorable but no hole. I also have a few more from IKEA that I really adore because they're not super tall, but again they don't have any holes in them. So I finally decided to order some diamond dust hole saw. I guess these are special drill bits which you can drill through like ceramics and tile and glass and bricks, I guess. I think they're masonry drill bits is what I searched for. So I'm gonna give this a try. Let's see what happens. The basic tools, obviously we would need our drill bits, a little drill, any kind that you have. I just have a little tiny battery one, and a spray bottle, or maybe some WD-40 my husband was suggesting to me, just to keep the lubrication so you don't wear the drill bits out right away. So let's get these opened. Box. Sweet. These look pretty good. There's even a really big one. And I think I might do this middle one. Hey guys, so we just did our test pot and it worked really good. I chose this one because it was a cracked pot already and I thought maybe it would split or something, but even with a cracked pot, it really did a good job drilling a nice hole. And yeah, we're gonna try the rest of them, but unfortunately I was a little bit of jelly arms and couldn't keep the drill in one place, so I think my husband is gonna step in and put these holes in here. Perfect. I would say this one turned out even better than the test pot. That's awesome. I'm super excited. Well, let's get these other ones drilled. So next we're gonna try the IKEA pot, this totally awesome shorty. And it's kind of cool because this one already has a little, kind of like a little indentation. So maybe this will be a little bit easier to start out. So let's see what happens.
Is you want to go slow, you want to go too fast. That's why I'm punching it, so it keeps it rotating really slowly. The faster you go, the more it's just not going to cut anything. So keep it nice and slow and a lot of pressure.
Awesome, if you ask me, as if it was there from the store. Amazing. And I don't see any cracks, you know, in the floor of the pot. So I mean, this is awesome if you ask me. So guys, I think this is working totally awesome, and I'm gonna put some more holes in the rest of my pots. But I would totally suggest using these awesome little drill bits. I will link them in the description so you can find them for yourself. But I totally recommend them, and I'll let you guys know how well they work with something that's more delicate, like a teacup, instead of like a thicker ceramic pot like this. So I'll get back to you guys with that. But for now, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Ciao!